गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। योग सिद्धाय सिद्धबुद्धाय भद्रभावाय हि नमः। विश्वपूज्याय पूज्य भावाय शर्मकन्दाय हि नमः। वागीश्वराय वागम्भीराय वाग्मिताय हि नमः। गुरुदेवाय गुरुवक्त्राय गुरुचरणाय हि नमः। परब्रह्माय ब्रह्मरूपाय रूपशुद्धाय हि नमः। गुरुदेवाय गुरुवक्त्राय गुरुचरणाय हि नमः। परब्रह्माय ब्रह्मरूपाय
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
Light of the world beacons in the dark. The strength which gives us the hope to survive are our teachers. A pleasant morning to everyone. Like every year, this year we can't be together to celebrate this auspicious event and honor our gifted souls who work day and night just to make sure that our future is secure and bright. I would like to say that all of you have played a major role in my life and is no less than a blessing to me. You have given me colorful opportunities to come forward, groomed me in such a way that I stand confident as what I am today. Starting from the morning assemblies to the late night preparatory classes in the hostel rooms has been the most blissful experience of my life. I extend my heartiest gratitude to our principal, Dr. M. Kasturi, for always being loving like a mother and making me come forward in the best possible way I could. Thanks to my affectionate, selfless and caring teachers for always supporting and believing in me. This has given me the strength to do my best and come up with flying colors. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day because you are the ones who will always remain precious in my life. Thank you.
Dear teacher, like a candle that burns itself to spread light, you give us everything by working hard day and night. Just like our flowers give away their fragrance that they can't smell, you made our lives blossom in way words can't tell. Hello everyone, I am Mansha Chandel of class 6th A, Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, Pilani, Rajasthan, and I wish all the teachers happy Teachers' Day. You are one of the most important person in our life who encouraged us in all the correct things. Thank you for supporting and encouraging us. And once again, happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers in the world. Thank you so much.
Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create and hearts to love. This message is for all my wonderful teachers who taught me with a lot of love, affection and care. Few words could never express my gratitude to you for truly caring and believing in me. Thank you so much teachers for showing us how important the learning process truly is and never giving up on us no matter how silly we acted. Thank you so much for teaching me the lessons that I'll carry throughout my life's journey. Thank you so much for being such a great and amazing teacher, a caring mentor, a role model, and more than an understanding friend. Last but not the least, our beloved principal ma'am, who is definitely the ultimate source of our motivation and always give us wonderful opportunities and platforms to showcase our skills and abilities. Thank you so much, everyone.
गुरुर्विष्णु
गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
Happy Teachers Day to all my respected teachers. Thank you for encouraging me all the way.
Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers who have guided me in the past and are helping me in the present. Although I am not a good singer, I have tried to sing some lines for you. लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते आके वो, खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते हो. कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो. दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीना होती, हम मेरी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता. ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, कि भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी. Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं आके वो, खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो. कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो.
की ज्योति सीप में मोती, दुनिया इतनी हसीना होती, हमें भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता. ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, कि भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी.
छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें, न था मालूम कि तुम ही तो दोगे पहचान हम सभी को. इसलिए है शुक्रिया दिल से तुमको. की ज्योति सीप में मोती, दुनिया इतनी हसीना होती, हमें भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता. ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, कि भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी. हम थाम लेते हैं कि वो, खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो.
Greetings. I hope that all of my lovely teachers are safe and sound at their homes during this COVID-19 pandemic. It gives me immense pleasure that even during such a hard time, all of them are available 24/7 for guiding me. I wish all of my respected teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much.
Whenever we thought that this wave of time is shedding our all values, it was you who made us realize our true potential. And it is since then we never stopped. The aims were clear and our minds all free. We as students can never forget the guidance you gave us, no matter how worse the situations are going to. This is my 9th year in Vidyapeeth, and gratitude is a small word to express how I feel. We are grateful indeed to have teachers like you. Also, with you by our sides, we are utilizing our now in a best way than we can ever could. Thank you all.
I feel so lucky to say that my teachers are the best, who makes our life a little more easy and keeps us at rest. You are like a family, a parent to me, and all your continuous efforts is like a blessing for me. I see my future so bright, all because of my teacher who are wonderfully right. I could never thank you with my words. These are just a few. All I want to say is that I'm super lucky to have teachers like you. I'm Arya Sharma from 11 Humanities, and I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my respected, wonderful, and amazing teachers. And I also thank them to show us the right path in life and makes us a better human being. Thank you.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव।
Teaching is the profession that teaches all other professions. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers there. We are so thankful to have you in our life and we miss you so much. Hope to see you very soon. And on behalf of 12th, I would like to thank our beloved Principal Ma'am who always supported us. Thank you Principal Ma'am for keeping us tuned with one or the other activities in this pandemic. And a very happy Teachers' Day to you. And I would like to thank our class teacher Swapna Ma'am who always motivated us. And Anita Ma'am, congratulations. We are so happy for you. A very happy Teachers' Day to everyone.
Hello everyone, myself Shubhangi and I am a student of class 10th E of Birla Balika Vidyapeeth. I have always heard that teachers are just like candles who burn themselves to lighten the lives of their students. Or else they can be also considered as potters who try to shape delicately the lives of their students just like a potter shapes delicate pots. They may be strict, but we must always remember that a pot becomes perfect for its use after beating only. So, on this Teachers' Day, I would like to thank all those teachers who not only taught me to read and write, but also the most important values in my life. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
We would have been lost. Thank you teacher for always inspiring us and guiding us. Happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone, this is Manvi Singh of 12th A. I'll be really honest that at the beginning of this lockdown I was quite happy because I got a chance to come back home. Although the stress of 12th standard remains constant everywhere. So thank you so much teachers for being the stress busters and making the things work out all together. If we are going to pass, the boards, it's only because of you. And we don't know the future. We don't know the after effects of COVID-19. But we can definitely say that with your efforts and our combined hard work, we're going to rock our 12th.
Since childhood, I have been
fortunate enough to be under the guidance of some great teachers. Today what I am is due to teachers only. Since childhood I have been in residential school. So I may say that what I know today is due to teachers only. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank all my teachers and wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Dear teacher, thank you for supporting and enlightening all my way. If only I could have your blessing for a lifetime, I would succeed all the way I've always done. I was so lucky to have a wonderful teacher like you. Thank you for sharing your knowledge with me for all these years. And that's make you the most special teacher to me. I have no words to thank you. Wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day with joyous moments.
Dear teacher, thank you for inspiring me to do my best. You helped me to strive up my goals. I found guidance, friendship, love, discipline, and strictness. Everything in one person. And that person is...
Good morning to my lovely teachers. Wishing you joy and happiness. You are an amazing teachers and deserve the best. You are the spark, the inspiration, the guide, and the candle to my life. I am greatly thankful to you that you all are my teachers. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
Well, the point that I'd like to make is all of this and the scenario has been so uncertain and unfortunate. It was then when we were standing on the crossroads of human life where we had no one but only you. It is that you guys take a lot of risk for us. And for that, grateful is a small word. The impact of these classes have definitely been on our 12th standard, especially to bring ourselves on track. And seeing the amount of efforts that you put in, it has inspired us since the beginning. You've been a beacon in these testing times, and this time too, you took this challenge and showed up. Dear teachers, we've always been grateful. Thank you.
Even in these testing times when everything was shut out there due to COVID-19, our teachers reached out to us with a new hope and enthusiasm. They taught with new and creative learning methods, and right from embracing distant learning opportunities to stepping up for our welfare, our teachers have been a great guide all the way. A heartfelt gratitude to each one of my teachers for teaching us that nothing is impossible, and for giving a world message that you have to give your best even at the worst of your times. Thank you teachers for your constant support, love and guidance. Thank you for what all you have done for us.
The best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to say. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day 2020.
They guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us. Today is the day to thank and say them Happy Teachers' Day.
Good teacher, like the candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
Teachers are mind engineers. Teachers are life directors. Don't ever undermine a teacher. Happy Teachers' Day to all of my teachers 2020.
A teacher's purpose is not to create students in his own image, but to make students who develop their own image. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers.
Without teachers, life would have no class. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
If
there were no teachers, all other professions would not exist. Happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers.
I found guidance, friendship, love, and guidance. Everything in one person, and that person is you, our teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Though you wrote in black and white, you brought beautiful colors in my life. Wishing a splendid Teachers' Day to all those thought-provoking teachers in the world. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Dear teachers, thanks for making us what we are today. Happy Teachers Day to all of my respected teachers.
Teachers affect eternity. No one can tell where their influence stops. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day 2020.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the... Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer. Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer. Water smile, let it rain. My love, my time, it came from. Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer. Third things third, send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. I was choking in the crowd, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings, they would drown, but they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down, it rained down.
Teachers Day. As we all know, teachers play a very important role in making us better individuals in life, and they're definitely one of those people who make a huge impact in our life, and thank you to all those teachers. Thank you.
A very happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. My teachers have always shown me the right way. Whatever I have achieved in my life is because of my teachers. On this very occasion, I would like to thank them for guiding me and always being there for me. I would also like to thank them for shaping me in what I am today. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You gave me the power which I needed to take the next step towards my success. Thank you for believing in us when sometimes we didn't believe in ourselves. You only deserve the good. You are the spark, the inspiration, the guide and candle to my life. You are the pillar of our success. Thank you for inspiring hope in me. Thank you for all your efforts and hard work which you put in for educating us. To the world you may just be a teacher, but to us you are a star. Thank you for your guide and thank you for teaching me a life lesson. Wishing you a very happy Teachers Day. Enjoy your day with lot of fun, joy and happiness. Stay safe. Thank you so much.
We celebrate for you being selfless, devoted, hardworking and the wisest person in the classroom. Thanks for being our teacher. Happy Teachers Day.
With your love and forbearance, you've paved us the way, helping me to master my studies each day. You incentivize me to give me my all and build my confidence whenever I fall. From mathematics, science to art, whatever the subject, you remain to touch us with all your heart. I want you to know the impact you have made, because of which there has been a change in my etiquette. I thank you for the teacher you are. With all your praise, I'm sure I'll go far.
ना कुछ पूछा ना कुछ मांगा तूने दिल से दिया जो दिया, ना कुछ बोला ना कुछ तोला, मुस्कुरा के दे दिया जो दिया। तू ही धूप तू ही छाँव तू ही अपना पराया, और कुछ ना जानू बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं, सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या।
To someone who has taken time to listen to our concerns, guide us on the path of knowledge, and to reassure us on our life's path. Teachers. Being one is the highest privilege. Having one is a great blessing. Happy Teachers' Day. Thanks for inspiring hope in us, igniting our imagination, and instilling in us a love of learning. You are the parents who guided us without any ulterior motive. We are proud to have you as our mentor. Once again, thank you and wishing you Happy Teachers' Day.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Friends, today is 5th of September, means Teachers' Day. As it is rightly said in Sanskrit, Guru Binu Honi Na Gyan. We all need guidance and knowledge at every stage of our life, which is impossible without our teachers. Firstly, education in life starts from our family, then it continues towards our society. We get knowledge from our teachers when we go to the school, and even further guidance is only provided by them. In true sense, teachers are a real mentor. That's why a guru's place is at the top in everyone's life. So far to all the teachers I have in my life, I am thankful to them from whom I learned so many things and gained so much knowledge. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day to all our respected teachers.
Teacher is a great source of knowledge, prosperity and enlightenment by which anybody can be benefited. School teaches the students the importance of healthy routine which can be benefited in the future. Our principal is able, highly qualified and hardworking. She is very noble and honest. She is the friend and guide of the students. Happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers 2020. आप हमें पढ़ाते हो, आप हमें समझाते हो, हम बच्चों का भविष्य आप ही तो बनाते हो। शिक्षक दिवस की बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ।
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामे आना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू, ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं,
I'm happy that you are my teachers. I enjoy each lesson that you teach. As my role model, you inspire me to dream and to work and to reach. With your kindness, you get my attention. Every day you planting a seed of curiosity and motivation to know and to grow and to succeed. You help me fulfill my potential. I am thankful for all that you have done. I admire you each day, and at last I want to say that the way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you share makes you the world's best teacher. I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher.